watched a bird disappear beneath the surface and return moments later like nothing happened? This is the cormorant. Cormorants are built for life between water and air. Unlike most water birds, their feathers are not fully waterproof. And strangely, that is their advantage. Their feathers absorb water, reducing buoyancy, allowing them to dive deeper, stay underwater longer, and move with precision beneath the surface. Then comes one of their most iconic moments, the silence after the hunt. Wings stretched wide against the wind, drying in the sunlight. A posture recognized across the world, a balance between stillness and survival. In parts of Japan and China, cormorants were once trained by fishermen in an ancient tradition known as ukai, a partnership between human and bird. Across cultures, the cormorant has come to symbolize patience, adaptability, and transformation. Here in South Africa, species like the reed cormorant quietly thrive around dams and wetlands, hidden in plain sight. And their presence tells an important story. Where cormorants thrive, water lives, fish survive, nature remains in balance. So the next time you see one standing silently by the water, remember, beneath that calm surface is a bird shaped by precision, patience, and survival. Captured by Khekhesh Photography.